Our topic, it is time for science. Our topic is human body. Subtopic is digestive system. And we begin by defining what digestion is. Now, digestion is the breakdown of food. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small particles that can be absorbed into the body. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small particles that can be absorbed into the body. Digestion of food, as we said, digestion of food starts in the mouth. Digestion of food starts in the mouth and ends in the small intestine. Digestion of food starts in the mouth and ends in the small intestines. Parts of digestive system. I repeat, the topic is the human body, digestive system. We begin by defining what digestion is. I said that digestion is the breakdown of food into small particles that can be absorbed into the bloodstream. Digestion of food starts in the mouth and ends in the small intestine. Parts of the digestive system or components of the digestive system. The digestive system comprises of the following parts. Number one, mouth. Number two, stomach, liver, large intestine, anus, esophagus, small intestine, pancreas, and rectum. These are parts that make up the digestive system. Now, to begin with the mouth, we have the teeth, the jaw, the tongue, and the saliva. The jaw holds the teeth. So in case you ask which part holds the teeth, it is the jaw. The teeth cut down the pieces of food into smaller pieces. Saliva has chemicals that help in further breakdown of food. Saliva also lubricates the food, making it easier to swallow. To lubricate is to make it moist. Then the saliva also rolls food into small round balls called boluses. I've said it helps in digesting starch. So we say digestion of food starts in the mouth, and the type of food that is digested in the mouth is the starch. So digestion of starch, when you talk of starch, we're talking of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth, which is found in foods that contain carbohydrates, for example, maize and the cassava. So in case somebody asks you when does digestion of maize and the cassava take place, just say maize and the cassava are carbohydrates. They are energy-giving food, starch. So their digestion will start in the mouth and end in the small intestine. Now the tongue rolls up the chewed food into small balls that can be swallowed, and the balls are called boluses. The tongue helps during swallowing by pushing the food to the back of the mouth, then moves down through a process called peristalsis. So peristalsis is the movement of food down the gullet. After the food has been rolled down into small round balls called boluses, then it moves to the stomach through the gullet, through a process called or through the esophagus, through a process called peristalsis. Peristalsis is basically a wave of muscle constriction that helps passage of boluses down the esophagus. We have the teeth. Then when it comes to teeth, we have sets of teeth. A person has two sets of teeth. The first set is the milk teeth, also called the deciduous teeth. And this set consists of incisors, canines, and the premolars only. So milk teeth, deciduous teeth are the type of teeth that are shed. They fall off at the age of when the child has attains the age of about 6 years. So I repeat, this set consists of incisors, canines, and the premolars only. The total number of milk teeth is 20. Very important. The second set comprises of 32 teeth. This set is called the permanent teeth, and it replaces the milk teeth. The permanent set of teeth consists of incisors, canines, premolars, and the molars. And as you know, the last 4 molars to grow are called wisdom teeth. The first 4 molars to grow are called wisdom teeth. Yes, the last 4 molars to grow are called wisdom teeth. Types of teeth, we have 4 different types of teeth. We have the incisors, and the incisors are used for nipping. They are also used for cutting and biting. So if somebody asks you the function of incisors, they should be in your fingertips. I've said biting, cutting, and nipping. Then we have the canines. The canines are for tearing. Canines are used for tearing of flesh from a bone. Canines are used for tearing of flesh from a bone. Then we have premolars. Premolars and the molars are used for grinding and chewing. Premolars and the molars are used for grinding and chewing. Molars and the premolars are used for grinding and chewing. That is something very important you need to know about molars and the premolars. They have the same function: crushing, chewing, and grinding. Molars and the premolars, grinding, crushing, and chewing. Very important. Then the teeth should be cleaned after every meal to prevent tooth decay. Tooth decay is caused by food remains that remain in the mouth, in between the teeth, and gum after feeding. And the best tool to use while cleaning in between the teeth is the dental floss. Remember, dental floss is a thread that is fixed with wax used to remove food particles that are stuck in between the teeth. Very important. So I've said today we start parts of digestive system, so you can write